Hello and welcome students. This is my new video. This is the fifth part of the chapter Winds, Storms and Cyclones. As you can see over here written tornado means today's topic is tornado. So today we will discuss about tornado. Let's start with tornado. First thing, what is tornado? A tornado is a narrow funnel-like column of air rotating at high speed that forms between a storm cloud and the ground. Means tornado is a storm that has shaped funnel-like and it has rotating airs at very high speed and it forms between the storm cloud and the ground. Here you can see the diagram of tornado. As we have discussed that it has funnel shaped. So here you can see this part is broader than this. This is ground and this is cloud that has a storm. So tornado forms between the storm cloud and the ground. Here you can see its shape. It is funnel shaped and air that is very high speed and it is rotating around the column of air. Now we will discuss how a tornado forms. A tornado is a violent, dangerous, rotating column of winds having appearance of a dark funnel-shaped cloud extending from the sky to the ground. Means here you can see a stormy cloud upward that seems it is coming downwards to the earth. So this is tornado. The funnel of the tornado sucks dust, debris and everything. Even it can suck people and vehicles and everything that is near its base. This is the base of the tornado. It sucks everything that it is that around this area. It sucks everything, even plants, trees, animals, vehicles, everything it can suck. It sucks everything that is near the base and throw them out near the top. So things that is sucked by the tornado are scattered in different areas with a very high speed. So a violent tornado can travel a speed of about 300 km per hour. It can travel more than 300 km per hour. It is the speed of the tornado. So you can imagine it is very dangerous and very powerful storm. So most of the tornadoes are weak in our country, but in USA they are very violent and very dangerous. In India they are not very frequent, but in USA they observed frequently, and most of the tornadoes formed over the land, but they have been observed over the sea too. Means they form on the land but they can travel to the sea. Sometimes they also forms and found over the sea. Tornadoes can cause great damage due to the high speed of the rotating winds and tornadoes are smaller than cyclones, but even they can cause damage over a small area. So this was the explanation about the tornado, in which we have discussed that tornado is a natural phenomena that caused by the strong winds and stormy cloud, and it can suck everything, means it can damage everything that is around its base, and it can destruct everything at the particular area. Now we will discuss about some safety measures if you are stuck inside your house during a tornado. So what should you do? First thing that you should do, you should bow down on knees, protecting head and neck using arms as shown in this figure. So you have to sit like this to protect yourself during the tornado. Next thing, you should take shelter in a room situated deep inside or underground that have no windows, and these rooms are called tornado shelters. And you also can set windows and take shelter under a table where debris cannot reach. So by these ways you can protect yourself during the tornado. Before tornado or any storms, if you get any information about that, so you can prepare an emergency kit that contains water, dry food, a torch, extra batteries, a first aid kit, medicines, and emergency contact informations, means contact numbers, and you can make a kit which having these things. So today we have discussed about the tornado and its safety measures. So we will meet in next video with a new topic. Till then, be happy and bye bye.